Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you guys what you're going to receive if you decide to purchase the OBSBOT Talent Tail Air Studio Combo. The combo comes with a variety of different accessories, one of them being the OBSBOT Talent. That is this 5.5-inch tablet. This is going to allow you to connect two HDMI sources, one USB source on this side, as well as on the opposite side, you have your line in, mic in, you have an additional USB 3.0, you have your power button on this side as well. Underneath here, you guys can see you have your Ethernet, you have your quarter 20 for mounting this on a stand, monopod, tripod, something like that, SD card input, you have your USB out, and you have your input for your 12 volt 5 amp plug. This has an integrated fan on the back, as you guys can see here. Now the batteries do not come with this kit, so you will have to purchase those separately, but any of the Sony MPF batteries will work with this. These are the Sony MPF 970s, but you could use a variety of different size batteries for this guy. You also will receive 3 of the OBSBOT Tail Airs. Okay, so this is an outstanding little camera. This guy gives you the ability to record directly into the camera. It has an internal battery. You can install an SD card. You have a micro HDMI plug right here if you want to connect that to a video switcher. You also have a USB-C on the back that allow you to also connect this directly to your computer using it standardly as a webcam. This is a PTZ camera. That means it can pan, tilt, and zoom. You have gesture controls with this guy. A lot of amazing features. This is not limited to just using for live streams. You can literally take this guy out any place you want to, and you'll be able to stream with it. So you're going to get 3 of those. You also will receive 3 of these USB to Ethernet adapters. And what this is going to allow you to do is to use your NDI features of the camera. So you plug in the USB-C to the camera, and then your Ethernet cable plugs in here, and you can also plug an additional USB into this guy for powering the cameras as well. You also will receive 1 of the OBSBOT remotes. Now this is for the Tail Air. This will allow you to control up to 3 of the different cameras. You can also have 3 different presets. You have person tracking, animal tracking. You have a laser here that you can use as a pointer. So let me turn this guy on so I can show you. You can actually use this, or you can use it to tell the camera to zoom in on a specific thing. So if you point the laser on something, the camera, as long as it's in line of sight, will zoom in on whatever you're pointing at. That's going to be great for product videos, product demos, things like that. So this guy has a lot of features built into it as well. And as I said, you can control up to 3 cameras. You have a custom button here, your power button. You also have a built-in tele rocker. So it means you can zoom in with the controls right here on the remote. This is USB chargeable. So you receive 1 of these. You also, for all of the cameras, you're going to receive 1 of these little travel cases, which are really nice. It comes with some additional accessories. Now this will come with your USB cable, which is a full-size USB to USB-C cable. You also are going to receive a USB-C male to USB-C female. This allows you to power the camera as well as to connect to the camera with this as well. And you also receive a little adapter if you need it from USB-C to USB-A, and you can keep all of those things inside of your case. The case is designed for that camera to keep it safe when you're traveling. So pretty much everything that you need, guys, is going to come in this kit. So if you're thinking about live streaming, gaming, whatever the case it may be, you've been on the fence, I'm telling you, I'm using these cameras every single day, and they are just amazing. So I just want to do a quick video showing you guys everything that you'll get in the combo. Hopefully this video has been helpful. I will see you all in the next video. Until then, guys, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.